All right, we have made it to the last question on the test. Miss Ramirez buys a new rug for her office. The diameter of her new zebra print rug is 15 feet. What is the area of her new rug in feet? And we're using 3.14. Well, I need a circle. I'm not going to draw the fancy zebra print because I don't need it for the math problem. It's just some fun information. The diameter, here's my center, the diameter is 15. Remember that diameter goes all the way across. So the diameter is 15 feet. Question says, what is the area of her new rug? So formula for area of a circle is A equals pi r squared. Again, you don't have to have this memorized. If you don't have it memorized, look at your formula chart. After I write my formula, I'm going to plug in my numbers. Well, I know that pi is 3.14. Now it says r squared. R is for radius, and I know that 15 is the diameter. So if I just want to know this part, the radius, I divide it by 2 and I get 7.5 squared. Now remember, 7.5 squared does not mean 7.5 times 2. It means that you have two 7.5s. So then you multiply 3.14 times 7.5 times 7.5, and you get 176.625 feet squared. Now on this question, this was a griddable, and on your grid on your Scantron, you may have noticed that there are only two numbers after the box, okay? And your answer obviously has 3. So we need to round. I'm going to first put in 176 because I know that that's super easy, okay? But now 625, I only have 2, so the first one has to be a 6. Now my number is 25, and I can only use one number. So I can't just chop that number off. I have to look to see if I need to round. So because this number is an exact 5, I have to round up. So if your number is 5 or higher, you round up. If it's below a 5, you just drop it and you leave it with your 2. So because this is a 5, I'm going to round up. So this is 176.63. So I'm going to put a 3 here. Just writing these numbers is not good enough. You have to bubble in the numbers underneath it. And also, please notice how I lined up my decimal. You don't always just start at the right. You don't always just start at the left. You have to line up where your decimal is on your griddable and bubble these guys in. I hope that these videos have helped you and that you learned from your mistakes and that you're going to do awesome next time you see these kind of questions. Thank you.